Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to maximize a window on your Chromebook device. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just open up whatever window you're looking to maximize, and go ahead and select the square icon near the top corner of the window. Just go ahead and left click on that. And now you can see it's maximized, and if you want to minimize it, you can select the minimize option, which will minimize it down to your taskbar, or I should say your system shelf, or you can select this middle icon. It will take back the form of its previous dimension. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.